Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can stop malware in your Windows computer. So friend, keep watching. In this video we will see how we can activate security system in your Windows computer. So friend, this is my Windows computer, Windows 10, and here I'm going to show you how you can easily activate antivirus and malware defender. Okay, so friend, first of all I'm going to open my Windows. Just click on this start button and you will get this option. Just find out Windows Defender setting. Okay, so you can see this option. Just click over here. So friend, you can see here on Windows security page, and here you can see all the things like virus threat protection. This is not enabled, just you enable this, so virus and threat that will stop into your computer, so no one can attack on your computer, so it will protect you from the virus. And this is firewall setting. If you're using internet, then it will required to on the firewall, so no any harmful virus will come into your computer. So this is very important. And this is app and browser control. Here, for example, if you are surfing any website and that website has virus, okay, so this facility will stop the virus that will not come in your computer. So these three options you need to activate, so your PC or Windows computer will secure. Okay, so friend, here you just check this icon is showing like this, and here you can see this icon with the cross mark, and here's a triangle information that will showing your browser is not secured right now. Okay, so right now I'm going to activate the security on this Windows 10. So what I will do, first of all, I'm going to click on this virus and threat protection, and I just maximize these things, and here just click on this manage setting, and here activate the real-time protection. So this is my real-time protection, and this is cloud-based protection, and here the sample of automatic sample virus submission on the net. Whenever your PC is finding some problem in your PC, so that will send directly to the Microsoft, so they can update their protection and send you update. So this will help you. Okay, so now friend, you can see my virus protection is enabled right now. Now I'm going to on my firewall setting, and here just click on this button, turn on. So here you can see my domain network is firewall is on. Now I'm going to on the private network. So private network is on, and now public network. So friend, my firewall network now is protected by Microsoft. Okay, so now I'm going to check the another thread. So friend, you can see this is check mark with the green, and this is also check mark. So now I'm going to turn on my app browser control. Just click on this, turn on, and friend, you can see my all the security part is done now, and my PC is secured now. So friend, what you will do, simply click here virus and threat protection and just quick scan. So this will protect and scan all the files. If maybe you have any virus into your PC, so that will remove automatically and give you the notification of virus thing. Okay, and friend, you can also see here check for updates. So now this is my updated virus. Again I'm going to click here. So maybe if any update will available on the cloud, then it will automatically download it into my system, and you can see my updated is already this antivirus is updated. And here my quick scan is running on. After the scan, this will protect my complete system. If you want to stop virus or malware into your system, then you must activate these things, and that will help you. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys. If you are using Windows 10, then activate the antivirus thing, and on these all the account protection, firewall, app and browser control, and virus and threat protection. So friend, if you like this video, click your blue like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you answer. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm uploading this type of unique tutorial in my channel, so you will get the update. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.